Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Land Rover Discovery Sport. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Land Rover is a great value with less than 27,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.